Welcome back to the Dry Fire Journal. This is day 159, and I am a guest in someone's home this evening as I'm teaching a class. And I have a barrel-blocked gun with nothing on my magazine well, and I'm going to continue our vision series. And yesterday's video in 158, I used the barrel block just to move from target 1 to target 2. Now I've got to see if I point right over here. I'm doing this so that you can see the muzzle of my firearm. I want to let my eyes be like a fullback in American football that plunges through the line just ahead of the halfback. So I'm going to do this really slowly. If I'm going to have this be target 1 right over here and target 2 be here, that means that if I'm doing this slowly enough for you to be able to watch it very cleanly, I want my eyes to move just ahead of the gun. I want to try it again. I want my eyes to move just ahead of the gun. I want my eyes to move just ahead of the gun. So if I speed that up, it's not that my eyes snap to target and then my gun comes to target. It's that my eyes need to simply lead the way to target. The difference in that, if I try to follow my red dot, inevitably I am going to overswing and then need to correct. Now I did that over dramatic on purpose, but if I try to go really fast and try to be super accurate from target 1 to target 2, if I try to do that really quickly, it's going to look like this. Do it again. Do it again. So, this is just to illustrate the point that you want your vision to lead the way for your sight, but you don't want it to arrive all the way before your sight begins to follow. So think of it as fullback, halfback, as it blazes the trail for the sight. And put some work in on this. You don't even need to touch the trigger. You can stay indexed and barrel block the entire time. And I recommend that you start small. Something like this, from 1 to 2, from 1 to 2, from 1 to 2, from 1 to 2, and then widen it out from 1 to 2, from 1 to 2, from 1 to 2, and then widen it out even more from 1 to 2. From 1 to 2, and see how this works. I believe this actually might be very valuable for you. So let me know how this goes in the comments, and I'll see you tomorrow.